Man, slide shout out to the mob. Big ass wheels,
Mollywop, 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 Stunnerman, 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 Stunnerman,
Redda baby,
Stunnerman, Stunnerman,
Redda baby,
Stunnerman, Stunnerman,
280, slide through yoking on the big ass wheels. Girls jocking, bass knocking, giving suckers the chills. At the light going dummy to 800, I ain't got a roof. Got the thing on my lap, fuck around, I'ma shoot. Say my car look wet, that's candy baby. Plexiglass on my windows cause my bass is crazy. 5-inch lift kit, Mike.
God damn it, Dupree. Bang my shit. Roxy. Bang it. 9-0. Bang my shit. What the hell I bang? I bang Roxy. 90210 Belladon's popping. Trying to stop me, litter bug, they call me. So when your ass trip, damn right, I'ma drop in. Dropping on that ass for reals. If you don't have cash, you can pass your dick. And we high in the trees, over hills. Better yet, we smoking trees, no stems. Think you running everything with your click, but the only thing you running is that, and that is run that. Yup, this fucking track, blasting through your speakers, and you love it when we bang that. Baby wanna get on my team, but to get on my team, you gotta get up and shout. Roxy 90210, Belladon so cold like -0. Roxy, bang it, 9-0, bang my shit. Roxy, bang it, 9-0, bang my shit. We in the club, better bang my shit. Yes, I'm Yana Kill. Oh, my swag so sick, does it real big. Yeah, my walk so bitch, but I'm so damn fly. On these chicks, I shit. Yep, what you know about that? Belladon's rep Roxy's, and we all bad. Stunning on chicks, I conceded all season. Yeah, you could bet your nigga gave me a reason. My hater should be an NT. When I think I seen it all, bitches keep entertaining me. Straight drop, and you know I rock. Niggas wanna jock and the bitches all talk. Bang my shit, cause you're my favorite hater. All you ever say is, dang, I hate her. Cause niggas wanna kiss me and hoes wanna diss me. I'm like, bitch, put your money where your lips be. Roxy, bang it, 9-0, bang my shit. Roxy, bang it, 9-0, bang my shit. Roxy, bang it, 9-0, bang my shit. GB is the name, Belladon's what I claim. Roxy and T, nigga, fuck the lane. 90210 is the hood I'm from. We blowing shit up, you know we the bomb. Every other day turned up, people say we stuck up. Fake bitches get dropped, everybody fucked it up. In the club throwing up 2 fingers in the thumb. Cause we don't give a fuck, body feeling all numb. Dumb, dumb, go hard just like left out dumb. LA to the IE, through your city we run. In your hood banging like, nigga, where you from? If you ain't from the hood, don't claim the set. Roxy and T, bitch, 90210 rep. Just like that, Cali know we famous. Down south, up north, even Uranus, go. Roxy, bang it, 9-0, bang my shit. Roxy, bang it, 9-0, bang my shit. God damn it, Dupree.
Sorry, Janari.
And I swear she bad. She a model. She walk the runway. Hey, model. Can you run that my way? She a model. She walk the runway. Hey, model. Can you run that my way? She a model. She walk the runway. Hey, model. Can you run that my way? She a model. She walk the runway. Hey, model. Can you run that my way?
Can I hit that, get that, run that, and lick that? Since you say you a dime, can I flip that? Top model diva, let her meet Mamacita. Girl so hot, she give a nigga a fever. Fuck it, I think I need her. Usually got tooted and booted, but I'm a keeper. So many hoes I can rent and lease them. I'm snatching niggas bitches like a street sweeper. And then I holla at Ace, you can have the thick hoes, bring the models my way. My taste buds telling me models is my taste. Her ass just right and she slim in her waist. Look at how she walk and make me wanna stalk. I never paid for her, but I'm buying what she wants cause she bad. I just gotta have it. Grab bad booty, I'ma grab it. Hey.
Model, she walk the runway, hey model, can you run that my way, shit model. She walk the runway, hey model, can you run that my way, shit model. She walk the runway, hey model, can you run that my way, shit model. She walk the runway, hey model, can you run that my way.
Shit, bad bitch, yeah, you know I gotta have it, and I'm doing whatever it takes. Like fuck it, I'ma get it somehow one day. She got a Gucci bag with her Gucci glasses, her Gucci pumps, Gucci fresh out the plastic. And you know I'm a rapper, so I rapped it. They like, damn, how you bag her that quick? Told her my name and she appeared like magic. I ain't playing with these girls. I got them by the bunches like a hair full of curls. Pimp type niggas selling girls at the stores. First, I start with the Jordan pop bottles. Let my drugs kick in and then we pop models. I'm like walk till you can't walk, don't stop. Rough type nigga, and she solid as a rock.
Shit model, she walk the runway, hey model, can you run that my way, shit model. She walk the runway, hey model, can you run that my way, shit model. She walk the runway, hey model, can you run that my way, shit model. She walk the runway, hey model, can you run that my way.
All the bad bitches in pumps, I got a bottle, let's get drunk. All the pretty women stand up. If you hate your nigga, we can fuck. All the bad bitches in pumps, I got a bottle, let's get drunk. All the pretty women stand up. If you hate your nigga, we can fuck.
Shit model, she walk the runway, hey model,